Hello, my name is Diana and I want to introduce you to some delicious. First, sushi restaurants. It tastes delicious. I'll go to my family and their normal price is 32,000 won. Also, their sushi kind is Gango sushi and salmon sushi like Manding. Second, Jeonju bibim. I will go to my friends. They taste good and normal price is 9,000 won. Also, Jeonju bibim rice inside have many vegetable and egg and many kind of things. Third, Outback. I will go to my family. They are normal price is 25,000 won. And we can pick many kinds of things. Example, steak and pasta and salad. It tastes salty and delicious. Fourth, yapdak. It price 9,000 won. It tastes little spicy and salty. I like mozzarella tteokbokki. It tastes crispy and salty and spicy. In conclusion, I think my favorite restaurant is sushi restaurant and Outback and Jeonju bibim and Yapdak. Thank you for listening.